This channel does not promote or encourage any illegal activities. All contents provided by this channel is meant for educational purpose only.
Welcome back everyone. Today I'll show my new tool, Hydra Ghost Attack Tool. Open your browser, visit my channel, click the bio, and you will see a TerraBox link. Click on it. Now click on Tool Market, then you will see Categories. Click on Linux Tools, scroll down a bit, and you will find the Hydra Ghost tool. Select it. Click on Save to TerraBox, choose your location, and then click the View button. Select it again and click the Download button. After the download is complete, go back to your desktop and open your Linux. Then drag and drop the zip file into your Linux system and open the root terminal. Access the root directory. Now extract the tool zip archive. After extraction, we'll locate the resulting folder into the root directory. Okay, I will clean the terminal now. Type ls, copy the tool folder name, and paste it into the terminal. Type ls again, and you will see the main file name. Then type Python followed by the main file name and press enter. Okay, the tool is launched now, so you can see a cool, easy-to-use interface for beginners. Now we will press option 1 to set up the configuration of our attack. Here you can type a domain, IP, or your target. I will type a domain name like dancecase.com, then it will ask about the service port, so you can choose one. Now it is asking again if you want to type another port number, so you can just press enter. Then it will ask S or FF means username list, and S means single username. I will choose S and enter a random username like admin. Done. Now it asks about password list or default, which is rocku.txt. You can just press enter to select the default password list. Then it asks for thread number, so you can type penny value or press enter to keep it default. I will press enter. It is asking about proxy options like SOX5 or SOX4. If you have a proxy file path, enter it. If not, just press enter. Everything is set. You can now review your configuration, including port, username list, password list, and other settings. Press Y to start the process. I will stop it because I want to make a short video to explain the tool. Now let's go back to the menu and check option 2, which is FTP. Did you see it auto start? Do you know why? Because we already set up the configuration. That's why it knows what it needs, so when you press it, the process starts automatically like that. Now let's press option for HTTP GET. You can see it will start automatically. I hope you understand the video and the tool. I can't perform anything because the YouTube channel is already banned. I hope you will show support here. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next interesting video and tool.